Are you thinking on moving into Spain? Would you like to relocate you and your family in Spain? Are you a non-European Union citizen? If all the answers are yes, then this is your video. My name is Pedro Heredia and I am a lawyer and barrister in Pellicer and Heredia. In this video, I'm going to inform you and summarize and give you the bullet points of those who want to apply for residency in Spain. And I would like to explain and inform which are the most common applications on immigration issues that are made in Spain for those who are non-European Union citizens. Those mainly applications are two: the non-lucrative visa and the golden visa. And I'm going to give you which are the requirements and also which are the differences between the non-lucrative visa and the golden visa. Let's start with the non-lucrative visa. Which are the main requirements on application for the non-lucrative visa? The first one, as I said, you don't have to be a European Union citizen. So first one is non-European Union citizen. Apart from that, you will have to show that you have not been illegal in Spain. Those who have been illegal in Spain in the past will not have access to apply for the non-lucrative visa. One of the main requirements is to show a criminal record certification. You have to show that in the last 5 years, you don't have any criminal records. That's mainly important. And one of the main requirements that are included in the application for the non-lucrative visa is you have to show sufficient money to live in Spain. Notice that this visa is focused for those who will not have permission to work in Spain, and mainly I'm focused for those who are going to be retired and live in Spain. So you need to show you have access to sufficient money to live in Spain for the period of time that you are applying for that residency. Which are the minimum number or euros that you need to show that you have access for the period of time you're applying for? It's 2,150 euros approximately for the principal in order to show that you have access to that money and show that you have income or savings from all around the world in order to show sufficient money to live in Spain. And lastly, one of the requirements that will have to be added on the application will be that you have access to the health system in Spain, public system, or through a private insurance that you have access to doctors and medicals to cover the period of time that you are going to be living in Spain. One of the main questions are made to us is how much time will it take to obtain residency through the non-lucrative visa. From the application date, the Spanish authorities will have 3 months to answer you and give you a positive answer or maybe a negative answer. If the example is that you get a positive answer, our experience says that it will be answered between 2 and 3 months' time. Once you obtain positive answer, you have some time in order to go to the Spanish consulate and get the visa to enter in Spain in the following 90 days. And then once you are in Spain, to apply for an appointment in order to get the card, residence card, and through this fingerprint process. So mainly it will take between 3 and 5 months to obtain non-lucrative visa, or in this case, a residency through the non-lucrative visa. And how much time I will be authorized to live in Spain on the application of a non-lucrative visa? You will be authorized to live in Spain for the first year, so it will be 1 year. And after 1 year, you will have a right to renew it for the following 2 years. And after 2 years, you will have another 2 years period. And after those 2 years, another 5 years, and so on. So it will be 1 year plus 2 years plus 2 years plus 5 years. Important issue is that whenever you are going to renew the non-lucrative visa, You have to show that you have been living in Spain and you have really been resident in Spain. And to be resident in Spain and show that you have been resident in Spain perfectly, you need to show perfectly and prove that you've been more than 183 days in Spain. And now, let's explain about the Golden Visa. The main difference between the Golden Visa and the non-lucrative visa is that first, non-lucrative visa, you don't have a permission to work in Spain, and you need to be resident in Spain to renew it for those periods that I have said. But with the Golden Visa, you don't need to be resident in Spain, and what you need to do is, whenever you want to renew it, is to maintain the investment. The Golden Visa is an investment visa where you need to show, mainly, that you have made an investment in Spain. There are different kinds of investments that are included in this program, but mainly it's an investment on property, which is really the minimum investment of all those options that you may have. That minimum investment, it is 500,000 euros in Spain. Also, you will have to show the same requirements that are set in the non-lucrative visa: no criminal records, sufficient money to live, and the insurance access to public health or through a private insurance policy. The timing on obtaining this visa is a lot less than the non-lucrative visa. Once you have all the documents prepared and you apply for that, will take between 10 and 20 days to obtain it. And the process or the authorization of this visa will take for the first year, and in case that you want to maintain the investment, you have the right to apply for another 2 years, and then 5 years. So it will be 1 year plus 2 years plus 5 years. Notice that in all the renewals, you need to show that you have maintained the investment. You will have a right to change the investment into property, into bank deposits, or change the property into another property, but you will have to maintain the investment. That's crucial. Basically, these are the requirements and the differences between Golden Visa and non-lucrative visa. If you need further information, please do not hesitate to contact us, as we will be happy to assist you in any query you may have. Thank you.